Another one of the game systems that PlayMaker 2 comes with is the 2D NavGrid system. So you can see here I'm playing a pretty classic game that we'll just call Yellow Guy Eat Pellet or something. If I select this grid game object, first of all, you can see that we have a NavGrid baker. You can see a little preview down here of what that looks like. This is making a navigation grid in a 2D space that's based off of this tile map that we made. And down here, the NavGrid baker component lets you set up whatever the walls are and floors and cost profiles, the things that you already come to expect out of the nav mesh system built into Unity for 3D scenes. Except here, it works seamlessly with your 2D environments. If I select one of these little enemy ghosts, you can see that they even have a NavGrid agent. So these, just like your nav mesh agents, are able to traverse a navigation grid. And the parameters should also look familiar if you've also used nav agents in 3D scenes. The speed, acceleration mode, stopping distance, and then here on the actual FSM that's controlling the behaviors of it, if we poke inside here, right now this guy is in the flee state. He's currently colored blue. And if I open up some of these actions, you can see that we have a NavGrid agent set speed. So he changes his speed based off of whether he's fleeing or he's just doing his normal move around. If I select the normal move around, you can see that his speed is 4, but if he's in the flee state, it sets down to 2, so he kind of slows down. We also have this action here, NavGrid agent steer away from target. So this is a nice plug and play way to literally just make this 2D element move away from another element. So we've selected the player here. So wherever the player is, this target will try to steer away from the player object. This is something that before you would have to mostly build from scratch in your game. But again, thanks to the game systems category in PlayMaker 2, there's a whole host of components ready to help you build 2D navigation.